progressive leader, kundi bilang isang ama ng bayan na may tapang at malasakit sa kanyang mga kababayan. His leadership has inspired millions of Filipinos, especially those abroad, na manatiling matatag, magsikap at ipagmalaki ang ating pinagmulan. As we celebrate this special afternoon, sama-sama nating alalahanin ang kanyang mga nagawa and reflect on the values he represents, which are being matapang, malasakit at pagkakaisa. Naway magsilbi itong inspirasyon sa ating lahat to continue working together for our communities and for our nation. Once again, happy 81st birthday, Tatay Digong. Maraming salamat po and magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Ms. Ellie, for that heartfelt and inspiring welcome. Tunay nga na today is more than just a celebration.
Yes.
It's a gathering of shared purpose and unity.
Correct. And speaking of unity, partner Ara at mga kababayan, one of the highlights of today's event is the strengthening of the Maisug organization. As we witness individuals formally committing themselves to a shared mission and vision.
Before we begin administering the ceremonial oath-taking, let us look at this audio-visual presentation about the Maisug community.
But now, we would like to call the presence of our distinguished guest, Attorney Glenn Chong, for his speech. Attorney Glenn Chong!
Tayong lahat kailangan ko.
Yabangan talaga eh.
Sige, dito. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Magandang hapon!
Marami na mahal ko po mga kababayan. Sa mga Bisaya, maayong hapon kaninyong tanan.
May
Sa
hapon!
mga waray-waray, maupay nga kulupay yung tanan.
Yay!
Yun lang ang tatlong lingwaheng alam ko. Anyway, I'm so happy to be here with you. I thank you for your warm hospitality. Actually, this is my 4th time to visit KL. The last time I was still a congressman. Natandaan ko yung bininto ko sa kanila. Kasama ko, alam nyo sino? Si Tambi.